How did you feel a while ago? Back! Mas mahirap yung ano.
Almost got hit by a branch. Off to the farm. Here we are. Antipolo. Shout out Perk inspired Antipolo. Woo. Okay, and just like that. Ding dong. Just like that. We are in the middle of Ding dong.
Where are we going? Where are we?
I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
Look at this guy filming while driving on off-road. How was it, bro? Yo. How was it?
You know what that means? That means muddy.
Yung mga pamangkin ko.
Hello.
They on this place. They on this place.
See that?
What happened?
Tried to shake his hand, but he didn't see me.
You got sunscreen in your nose.
Protect your protect your skin. Yeah. Also, I'll get my jacket.
What's up? What's up? Hold on. Say something nice. Say something nice. Thank you.
Oo nga, love. Tayong dalawa na lang daw.
Picture.
Una na lang si Tito, Tita.
Oh, Daryl, mauna na.
Oh, sige, mauna na kami. Sige.
I'm going up.
Oh.
Come on, dude.
Sorry. No,
Take our picture here.
We're on a farm. Let's go.
Take me also, Christian. Wow.
Thank God for this camera that has a stabilizer. Thank you, Pastor Alex. Because this is a bumpy road. Oh! Oh my God. Yo, this is insane.
What? This is Mission Impossible?
Check it. Oh!
Wow! The
Okay.
creator.
Oh, dude, look at where we're going.
the peak?
What the heck?
Oh!
Wow, it's so nice.
Wow, picture, Jess. Can we take a picture after the video?
Yeah. Okay. We made it.
We made it! Wow!
All right. We ran out of battery, but we made it.
You ran out of battery?
We made it on top of the mountain. This is sick. Check it out, guys.
Yeah.
Piña. Piña. Who lives in a
Pineapple under the sea.
Whoa, it's like a it's pineapple. All right, so welcome to the farm.
My Tito and Tita's farm.
Look at this view, dude.
Oh,
Lovely view.
awesome view here. Nice fresh air. Merry Christmas from the farm. There's the car. Look.
Where?
See it?
I cannot see.
Yo, where are we going? I ain't about to go all the way down there.
Oh no!
That's how we got up.
Say it again, dude.
Yo, these plastic bags though are not. Wait, these are not. This kills the vibe right here.
Yeah, we need to have.
Okay, can you say that again over here, D? Oh yeah, right here's good. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, right here. Yep, that's perfect. What is this, bro?
After the Thanos snap, man, right here.
Snap. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Wait, one more. You're blocking the.
Why you wait?
Pasanos.
So we here at the top of the mountain, bro, and like, so we got so much swag up here.
Yeah. What are we doing? Like a dance video here? I don't know, man. Dude, show me the footwork, man. Yeah, there you go. The footwork. Come on. Jumping jacks. Yo, show him that view. Show him the view, man. Show him the view.
Oh, here.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, that's the view. Oh, yeah. Where'd you get that? And this is what you guys rode?
Racket. That like chains on it, bro.
Has what? What is this?
This is like
Chains on it?
4x4.
It's like
baby.
for snow, but it's mud. Right?
Alright guys, we about to Oh, getting some fresh corn. That is delish.
Oh, yeah.
What is that, bangus? Reminds me of the time we were in Dagupan.
Your turn.
Watch your head, huh? Jesse. Ay.
Oh! Okay. Yeah! Ate, makano to?
300.
Woo!
Okay, play!
Look what we're eating.
Christian, can you take with Edgar?
Delicious. Bangus.
Ako dapat kasama ka.
Yeah, here.
Oh.
Okay, one more.
Okay.
Guess what time it is? Dinner.
Lunchtime, bro.
Same thing, dude.
So we just finished lunch. I can't find my brother. Where is he? Oh, he's here. Oh, he's sleepy.
I thought that was a fog, dude. What's up? Use tissue. Exploring my.
So we got the buko. You know how we love buko. Gonna drink it. No straw, cause we out here in the country.
Yeah, no straws. Solid.
Mr. Wilson. Cheers.
One time nga rin sabi ko
Alright guys, so we had fun just chilling here at the farm, very relaxing. Thank you Tita Joji, Tito Tony, and everyone, all of the fam.
This is
for
the
great
life,
time.
no signal. Just
There was no signal.
air.
Yeah, we were just
check it out,
literally...
Antonio's farm.
Oh. Going back down the mountain. Are we all gonna fit on here? Wow.
This is it.
Oh yeah.
Adventure.
Hands up.
Look at the view.
Oh, bye bye doggy. We have like 1 million people on this thing, bro. I'm gripping this thing so hard, bro.
How did you feel a while ago? Mas mahirap yung ano.
Almost got hit by a branch.
This is like Jurassic Park. Check it out. Freedom!
Oh my God! Kanina tumatang
Oh my gosh!
Hey, get this girl, get this. Let's clap.
We made it!
Jesse, Christian, look na, Edgar.
Right, that was quite an adventure.
Isa pa.
That was actually really scary.
Ang galing mo mag-drive. Saan mo nakuha yung strength mo?
All right. Just had to get that last shot in.
Parang ano to itong puno na to, parang avocado.